look at how much my hair has grown. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It's another Amazon wig review. Clink, 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 clink. For today's Amazon wig review, baby, we're gonna have some hair out. That's why I'm giving fuzz. And we're gonna be doing a half wig from Amazon. I'm getting into the half wigs. The girls are wanting their edges to inhale and exhale, and I'm on the train. We're gonna see how it goes. Now, it is an Amazon wig review, so if you do click on the link, purchase it, whatever, I will get a little coinage, like a little bit of coinage, girl. I won't be putting a lot of money in my pocket, but I'll be jingling and jangling around if you purchase something. I will leave a link for everything I use down below in case, girl, what am I talking about? When I don't have nails, I don't know what I'm talking about. This wig is from the Your Beauty store on Amazon, and this wig was $74.99. That was the price point, and as far as the rating, it got a 4.1 out of 5. Okay, so while we open this, I'm gonna ask y'all quick questions because you subscribe and hit the post notification bell just so you can see every single time I post, because I'm coming to you every single week with a brand new wig. This is the packaging, a cute little bag. It didn't come with a box or nothing, girl. Let's see what they got. Okay, so this is the Wigiana. I'm gonna pop it open. Okay, what we got here? Let's see if we got any gifts. Okay, we got some hair care instructions. We love that. A wig cap. Oh, this hair is soft. Oh, the girls weren't playing. It's giving church pin curls and everything. Wow, this is soft and silky. This wig is a 3/4 wavy half wig. I don't know if they know that don't make sense, but this is a 3/4 half wig. It's 14 inches long. It was $74.99. This half wig's a little bit different. So it has like the sliding comb at the top, which I like, but it also has the clip-in combs on the side, a clip-in comb in the middle, and 2 clip-in combs in the back with adjustable straps. So they said, baby, this wig ain't going nowhere. But the hair itself is really pretty, and the ends actually look good. Wow. Since this is a half wig, there is no lace. You can kind of see the track right there. At this point, you can make your own half wig, but I want to see what this one looks like. We need to go ahead and look at our natural hair and create our base. So let me go ahead and pop these braids out. Ooh. I'm calling myself taking care of my hair these days. So, oh, girl, here we go. This is a natural hair. This is what we're working with, girl. My hair is about as see-through as them blinds back there. So since it is a half wig, we're only gonna be leaving out hair in the front, okay? So we only gonna be, and I'm not gonna be leaving out a lot. Hopefully it's not too little. I can always adjust it, but I don't like leaving out too much hair. Okay, so this is how much we're leaving out. Girl, just a light dusting. Literally, it looks like a light dusting in the front. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull it back, and I'm not gonna braid my hair. I'm actually gonna use a wig grip. We got a little trick for the girls that don't like to braid or can't braid. This is a GEX Worldwide wig grip. This is the only wig grip I'm gonna use. I got this from Amazon. I'm just gonna pop this on the hairline. And this is for the thin-haired baddies because, or the thin-haired girlies. Doing braids and stuff like that or clipping it into my actual hair be hurting, girl. So I don't do that. The wig cap over top, because that comb is gonna wreak havoc on my hair. We're all done. Okay, so I'm gonna take it. Just gonna put it on my head. I'm not even gonna slide the comb in. Oh, okay. Girl, this is silky. It's so silky, it almost looks synthetic. But it's not bad though. I feel like we can make this work, right? Oh, I see a moment here. I was a little skepticana. That's not a word. My forehead gonna be so happy. Let me straighten my natural hair first, and then we can go into styling this hair. But this hair is straight out of the pack. That wave and that shine is impeccable. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use my T3 Smart Iron, and I'm gonna straighten my natural hair because I want to see what it looks like. One thing that I do, because I have very, very fine hair, I'm only going to straighten the ends, and I'm just gonna straighten it into the wig like that, because I just want to see what it looks like. Baby, my thighs don't match. Like a little bit of blending. I have very, very fine hair, so my hair like blends fairly well into silky hair because the strands are so thin, but that don't last too long, friend. Okay, that's kind of looking real naturalista. Like, you can't tell me that it don't. Like, you can tell me that it don't, but it do. Just a light one pass. quickly. So far, I feel like it looks pretty good. But I feel like I need a little more from the hair. Like I want curls, I want, you know what I'm saying? Like I want more. I feel like I'm gonna cut this. I feel like cutting this and making this like an actual bob will be super duper cute. So I'm gonna do that first. Like so. Ooh, I feel like I want it shorter than this too. Oh, this is pretty though. Wait. Yeah, I like this. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. Oh yeah. Yeah. But I'm still thinking like from the front, I want it to be a little bit shorter. Like not too long. I should probably straighten this hair and cut it, but girl, I don't feel like it. I got somewhere to be tonight, girl. I'm about to go eat. One more time. See if I can cut it all the way across. Oh, very pretty. Oh, we love that. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty. But I think we need to do a little bit of curling and bumping. I like how it looks now. So maybe I'll add some curls to this. Bless my heart. I'm like all over the place. But if you know me, you know that's how I be. Let's do a little layering. Okay, now I'm gonna start getting on y'all nerves because y'all know how I like to layer. But I don't want to layer it too much because I like the long bob look. So I'm just gonna do like a little bit. Take some scissors and cut like, that's probably too much. I hope not. I'm just gonna cut off like an inch. These are thinning shears. Here we go. There we go. This is dangerous because I'm gonna start acting like this is my real hair. Like the way that flipped back. Oh, like this is dangerous. This is dangerous territory for somebody like me that's a bald-headed scallywag. It's very dangerous. It's a very dangerous. Okay, so I'm gonna take this hair at the side and I'm just gonna do a little bit of layering. Not too much, not too much, not too much. I'm just gonna take the hair, bring it to the front, right? I'm gonna take this hair, ooh, and I'm just gonna trim it, right? I'm gonna trim this part. Just a little bit. That's just that part was just a little bit too weighted. You know what I'm saying? Like I just want a little bit less weight. How do you girls act? The ones that got healthy hair and stuff like that, how do y'all act? Like how can y'all act right? Because the way I would never ever act right is beyond me. I would never ever act right if I had long healthy hair. Bro, like never. Okay. And I'm gonna take this crown area. I don't know what I'm doing back here, but I'm gonna cut this because I feel like, oh, wig slime back. My wig is not secure. Why am I playing around like this? I'm gonna take my thinning shears and I'm gonna thin that out. See what we get. Yeah. The vibes are coming together. Now we just need a little bit of volume. Just a couple curls, not too much. Just a couple curls to get the girls going. I wonder what am I gonna curl it with? How am I gonna curl this hair? I'm gonna have a little personal talk with this hair. I don't want her to speak to me and tell me what I need to do with her because I need a sense of direction. Look at how much my hair has grown. I didn't even clip it in. Hold on, let me clip it in first. And then we can get to styling. I'm gonna do the clips on the side. And I don't even have to dig the clips in because it's under my wig grip. Do the same thing on this side. I think I need to go in with the cheese spinning curl. So, this girly right here, this cheese spinning curl, if you don't know about her, she's a co-star. She's been on break for a while. Been using her for years. Love her down. I'll leave a link for her down below. You can get it from Target or Amazon. I need some volume, especially on this part of my hair. Like what's happening here? It's so flat. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this hair away, and we're gonna start working on this side. I didn't want to straighten this hair out because I don't want to get rid of these natural waves that this hair has in it because they're beautiful. They're perfect. I'm just gonna clip up this hair at the side. I've engaged the clip-in combs, and oh my God, it is so secure. I feel comfortable curling my hair without this wig falling off my head. So I put in the 2 combs in the back, the 2 clip-in combs in the back, and the 2 clip-in combs on the side. Love them down, okay? So I just put them like under my wig grip, but into my hair. Curl away from the face. And all this thing does is suck the hair up. I have it on a 19-second hold, so I was gonna hold for 19 seconds and we're just gonna pull the curl out. And I'm just gonna curl throughout the hair, and I wanna see what this hair looks like. But so far, me and my little thin edges are happy. Ooh, girl, it's hot. Why is it still burning my neck, girl? What's going on? So I'm gonna curl in 2 different directions. Forward and back, forward and back. Okay, so let's keep curling, and then I'll be back to do the other side curl. Well, I'm already tired. I ain't even done that much. So the hair is curled, and I think I like the curls. Yes, I like the curls. Okay, I had to see. I had to. Ooh, girl, not my curler was falling down on me. Looks super duper pretty. Very fluffy. I love that so much. I don't know if I need baby hairs, but I feel like I want them. I want them for this hairstyle, so I'm going to get them because I get what I want. In order to do our edges, I'm gonna go ahead and use my edge control. This is the She Is Bomb Collection edge control. And we're just gonna do some light baby hairs, not too much, but I feel like baby hairs close the wig gap. It's difficult to like wear my natural hair and my hairline not look mad weird to me. So I've been liking the baby hair in the front. This is a water-based edge control, so if you don't like water-based edge controls, don't use this, but I like this edge control. It's like one of my favorites. Huh, how's that look? Ridiculous. Here. This baby hair. Oh, that's a lot going on the forehead. Oh well. This baby hair down here. A little baby hair here. A little baby hair there. Oh. Okay. But I'm gonna toss on the rest of my makeup and then we'll do the finished look. But so far, I'm happy. Okay, I'll be back. Hey y'all, this is the finished look. I think I lost the baby hair in the melee. Hold on. And baby, it is secure with those clips. I love the clips in it. I love the style of the hair. I don't know if I loved how I curled it, but I think the curls came out pretty. I could clip that little piece in the back, but girl, I'm not doing that. Girl, I got places to go, people to see, food to eat. This is what the hair looks like. It's very pretty, very fluffy, bouncy. If you look at the hairline is hairlining. This is just a dip in my natural hair. I don't know why. It's just a little dip, but I can flip it around, move it around, and I love like a movement moment. I can move it around, friend. I can definitely move this hair around and get like that beautiful, effortless, very, very pretty look. And oh, I love that for me. I do wish, you know, it had a little bit of texture to it, because a little bit of texture goes a long way, especially when you go outside and your hair starts puffing up, but it's still giving pretty. I'm actually gonna toss in a couple of styles. Well, actually, I could just do some styles right now. I don't wanna lose these curls because I'm actually going somewhere to eat. So I was gonna hold off on the styles, but maybe I can do a high bun and see what happens. Hold on. Let's see if we can put this thing, hold on. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh no, the back. Oh, the back. know. I wonder if I can, maybe I'll just put up the front because the back, it's actually secure back here though. It ain't going nowhere in the back, girl. I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, let's see if we can put this up. And we can, wow. Okay, let's see. I'm not trying to mess it up too much, friend. Look at that. Oh, that ponytail looks silly. Girl, silly, silly. It's a little pretty. You like it? Like I can't put all the hair up. Let me just clip it up in the back. I can't put all the hair up, but look. Girl, my edges is way too thin. But from the front, wow. I'm here for it. What do you think? Y'all tell me what you think. No, not from the side. From the front, from the side, girl, these edges are so thin. If you got thick edges, you ain't got to worry about this. But these thin edges don't want nothing to do with this. She said, leave me out of it. Now, how did I get in it? Actually, let me take this down because I'm actually going somewhere. Y'all always say I'm going somewhere and I'm not. But this time I actually am. Did I mess it up? No. And it holds a curl? Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Give me 14 more right now. Y'all tell me what you think about this wig down below. Would you wear a half wig? Are you in the half wig gang? Because I am. I am. Half wigs. If I want to leave my hair out, it's half wigs and quick weaves and sew-ins. This one is a really, really quick option for you girlies that are not trying to spend all that money on a sew-in or a quick weave. I feel like this is a really good option. Go ahead and check it out. I'll go ahead and leave a link for this unit down below. I also will leave a coupon code along with links for all the products that I used. Oh, I use this Crown finishing spray. Love it. I got it from Sephora and it smells amazing. Like I would spray it as a perfume. I love it so much. Love it so much. And it's like in a cute little fancy bottle. If I had some nails on, y'all be sick of me. I'd be click, 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 clacking this thing all over the place. Anyways, girl, I was looking for the top. I'm so unhinged. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.